Mike Byrne started this business in a small garage downtown Mansfield.
You know, we're a small family-owned manufacturing company. We design the auger boring machines here in-house. We fabricate and weld our frames here. We machine all of our parts and our gearboxes here. So we're a small company, but we do a lot of big stuff.
I've worked with Jim at Michael Byrne Manufacturing for about 14 years, and then more recently with Leslie over the past 7 years or so. It's been a really good relationship, and the thing that really stands out is their passion. You know, they build big boring machines, and they know they're helping people and they're helping communities, so I really appreciate that about them.
We've had a growth within our business over the last several years, and one of the things that we knew is we eventually had to set up and separate our machining activities from where our fabrication activities were happening.
One of the great things about working with Park National Bank is that we have a local banker. They know our business, they understand what kind of different challenges we're facing, and they're there to help us when we do have different things that we'd like to bring up with them.
When I was approached by Jim and Leslie about their building project, it was kind of second nature for me to consider Ohio statewide and the programs they have, because I thought there might be a good fit.
Working with Michael Byrne Manufacturing is one of the things that has been such a delight for the Ohio Statewide Development Corporation. They're a long-time customer of Park National Bank, and we're a long-time partner of Park National Bank, so it felt like a natural fit for us to finally all work together. The mission of OSDC is to help more small businesses access capital as often as they can at the lowest rates possible.
Don is the one who presented the information about the Ohio State Development Corporation and the great things that they offer for manufacturers when they're looking to grow, and it fit perfectly with what we were doing.
One of the programs that's offered through the Ohio Statewide Development Corporation is the Ohio 166 program. So this particular loan program is designed to help small businesses invest in fixed assets. The interest rates are very low. They are set below market rate, and they are fixed for the life of the loan.
Working with them, they are easy to work with, easy to communicate with, and made it a streamlined process to get this project done.
We've implemented some new products, some new tooling, and we're looking to add some more products, because the one thing we do know is our infrastructure is going to continue to need to be upgraded.
When we are part of their success story, they have demonstrated that they use that opportunity to be part of the success story of other manufacturers in Ohio, in their industry. They are a real great example of what Ohio is capable of producing.
It just really makes me smile when I think I can help customers to achieve those goals and help our communities. I mean, that's really the ultimate goal is kind of raising the tide for all of us.